Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by clearing the essentials. Close background apps and free about 30% of RAM so the game has headroom. Once done, open Bgmi and set graphics to balanced or smooth and turn off HDR to reduce GPU load. Make sure game mode is enabled in system settings and notifications are blocked to prevent interruptions. You do this because CPU and GPU contention plus interruptions cause stutters. Reducing concurrent processes gives consistent frame delivery and lower input lag immediately. Next, focus on stability. Lock the in-game FPS to a rate your display and so see sustain, like 60, so frame pacing stays even. Once done, move to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or a wired hotspot to cut latency and jitter. Close other devices hogging bandwidth. Make sure your power profile is high performance and disable aggressive battery savings that throttle CPU and GPU. This keeps thermal and frequency behavior predictable and prevents sudden frame drops during firefight. Finish by cleaning the app. Clear Bgmi cache and, if issues persist, reinstall to remove corrupted assets that cause stutters. You should monitor device temperatures and use cooling methods because thermal throttling lowers clock speeds and creates lag spikes. Once done, test on a different network and verify server region to rule out packet loss. If lag continues, one key troubleshooting tip. Run a network ping test during gameplay to spot consistent packet loss or high ping and adjust connection or contact your ISP.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.